Today, we are going to learn the ins and outs of finding information in an article record. We are going to focus on records found using ProQuest's Research Library database. To access the Research Library database, navigate to the LDS BC Library webpage at library.ldsbc.edu. Select Databases underneath the search bar. Select Research Library from the list. Go ahead and enter your search. As you can see, the results page has lots of information in it. For this search, we're going to go ahead and use the peer-reviewed filter along the left-hand side to narrow our results to only scholarly publications. And we will use the full text filter so we only find articles that we have full text access to. When we find an article that sounds interesting, we will go ahead and click on the article title to open the record. In the article record, there is a lot of useful information. You can see that below the basic citation information, there are a number of different tabs. If you click on the Abstract Details tab, you will see a nice breakdown of information about this article. The abstract is a summary of what the article is about. This is a key thing to pay attention to when you are doing research. Using abstracts to determine if an article is relevant will save you a lot of time while you are doing your research. Beneath the abstract is the details section. We will focus on just a few of the pieces of information you can find here. Subject terms help you determine what the article is about, and they may give you ideas for other keywords you can use in your searching. Title is the name of the article. Author lists all of the authors of this article. APA citation style requires you to list all of the authors in your reference page if there are fewer than 7, and the first 6 authors plus the last one if there are more than 7. So knowing where to find a complete list of authors is imperative. The publication title is the same as the journal title. This is the name of the publication that the article was originally published in, similar to how individual articles are published in a magazine. The journal title is also an important part of your citation. Beneath that are the volume and issue numbers. These two numbers help you to know exactly which issue of a journal the article appears in. Journals, like magazines, are published multiple times per year. Typically the same volume number is used for each issue published during the year, and then each issue in that volume is assigned its own issue number. Pages refers to the complete page range of the article, or what pages in the journal the article appears on. The publication year is important for you to note for your citations, as well as helping you to determine the relevancy of this article for your research topic. Another important piece of information to watch for is the DOI. DOI stands for Digital Object Identifier. This is a unique identifier that will always point to this specific article. When you have one, it is the best option to include in your citation. Not every article has a DOI, though. Saving the document URL will help you to navigate back to this specific article again. This is a stable URL and is a better option than copying and pasting the URL from the URL bar. Now that you have learned about the information you can find in an article record and research library, you are ready to take this skill and use it in all of the ProQuest databases.